Hey, what's up, man? Just based off of your email, I'm gonna guess your name's Jesus that I'll be sending this video to. Um, so yeah, I just wanted to. I noticed you didn't have a website, and running a business, having an online presence is a pretty big thing just to get customers and clients, and ultimately business, which is what we want as business owners. Um, so I just wanted to go through what it looks like to have a website on Google and on the first page of Google so that, like right here, Drywall St. George. So when anybody searches for Drywall St. George, your business and your website is the one that pops up in this section and this section. So I just wanted to talk about three things. So content, backlinks, and citations. So when anybody searches, like I said, a keyword when they need drywall near me or drywall St. George, anything like that, you're gonna see this is gonna pop up on the Google search. So this is called a map pack right here, the Google map pack, which businesses can get listed in. As you can see, these are the top three, and then these down here is called your organic listings. So Google is like just a big popularity contest. Google's always searching through businesses and seeing which one has the most content, who has the most backlinks, who has the most traffic, and when they find who has the most, they're going to put them up in these number one spots. So to get into these spots right here, Google's looking for content and backlinks. And to be labeled as an authority in Google's eyes, they're looking for 1,500 words of content on your home page of your website. So I know you don't have a website right now, but so I pulled up Christensen Drywall in Ivins, Utah. So these guys hold the top spot right now. And so just looking at their website, so here's their home page, and I highlighted all their content and I stuck it in this word counter. They only have 200 words of content on their first page. So, um, I mean, to beat them out, it wouldn't be that hard because, I mean, shoot, if you got 300 words of content, you're still going to be better than these guys. Now, the second thing about um, the second thing that Google looks for to get in here is backlinks, which backlinks are just other businesses or other websites linking back to your website. So I took this same business and I threw it in this program called Ahrefs. This is just something that we use as marketers to get kind of the details of websites. So these guys have 237 backlinks, which means there's 29 different websites that are referencing back to this business, Christensen Drywall, 237 times. So if you guys are looking for a website, we would just want to make sure that we have more referring domains that are sending to more backlinks than these guys. And once we, beat them on backlinks and domains and also their content on their first page, their homepage, then eventually Google's going to see that and they're going to put you guys up top here, and you guys will be the first business that people see when they're looking for drywall or I think you guys mentioned you do paint and concrete. Like those are all different keywords that we can throw in there of the services that you guys offer. Um, so again, to get into this organic listing spot, they're looking for backlinks and content. To get into this Google Map Pack, they're looking for citations. So citations is just your business name, address, and phone number. And it's how many times your business address and phone number is listed across the internet. So that's putting your business in Yelp, in yellow pages, white pages, local directories, Chamber of Commerce, Better Business Bureau. The more times that you have your business listed across the internet in those different directories, the more likely you are to be in these top spots. Um, so that's just a few tips that I just wanted to share, and what I do as a marketer. I'm not trying to sell you anything, just kind of an educational thing. You guys can totally do this on your own. It is, time consuming and can be frustrating if you don't know what you're doing, but it's definitely doable. Or you can reach back out to me, and we can sit down and talk about some of the goals that you have for your business, or if you want a website, and kind of where you want to take your business in the near future. If you're fine right now and you have plenty of work, that's awesome. But if you want to grow and hire more people and get more trucks and just kind of expand, then we can sit down and discuss how to get there through your online presence and a website and just some more marketing. So, anyways, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity to show you a little bit about what I do and what you guys can do as a business. And like I said, if you're interested, then reach back out to me, and we can set a time and sit down and discuss further where you want to go. But yeah, thank you, and I hope to hear from you.